Ollie, what are you crying so much about, huh? Do you just want the window open? Okay.
You used to just push your head up against the glass. Good.
Hello friends, welcome back to the vlog and happy birthday if today's your birthday. And welcome to a little days in my life video. I don't know exactly how long this video is going to be yet, so we're gonna wait and see. You guys probably know before me based on the title. But it is currently 11 a.m. and today's a very exciting day because Tara is back in LA, so I get to see her, which I'm so excited for. We're gonna do a little lunch work day situation together at Zinc today, which is gonna be really good. And that's the main activity I've planned for this vlog, so we're gonna see what else comes our way, but I'm very excited for Zinc. That sounds so delicious today. I'm very excited to see Tara. I haven't made my bed yet today, so I figured we should do this. Also, my camera battery is dying, so it might die, but it is a couple hours later now. I've just worked for a little bit and now got ready, and we're gonna go out and meet Tara. I'm wearing this new sweater that I got, which I think is super cute because it is so windy outside. Today, you guys, literally wind gusts up to 30 miles an hour. And then it's gonna rain for the next 3 days. So there's definitely a storm brewing. We're taking advantage of this day before it starts to get rainy outside. Okay, as predicted, camera did die, but here's the little fit, and we're heading out now. Let's do it. We made it to lunch and yay! Back together.
I was about to say back together. Thank God.
Of course. Thank God. I know. This is my favorite time of year, but it's just like months at a time for us. It's the best. It was quite the adventure getting here. Tara ended up in the wrong place, so I had to swoop her up, pick her up. Oh, thank you so much. Yeah. Anyway, we made it though, and we are at Zinc. We could not find a seat inside yet, but we are on the hunt, and it honestly does not feel too bad where we are right now. Thank God, because it's really windy and cold out today, so, you know. But here's what we got. Got the label, as per usual, with tuna on it. So good. Got a matcha latte. Tara also got a matcha, but iced with lavender, which is very good. And then this curry soup, which, oh my God, it looks so good. I know, I'm loving it. It is officially 5:15 p.m., so we figured we would upgrade to an espresso martini.
I mean, it is happy hour.
It's coffee meets alcohol. It's perfect.
Yeah, we're keeping the productivity alive.
Exactly. Cheers.
Cheers. Not spilling on the laptop.
Yep, exactly. Hi, girly. Good morning from a rainy LA day. It is a couple days later. I know I barely vlogged the other day, but so it goes. And we are back, and it is Friday, which I'm super happy to have here. And it's raining. Typically, I would absolutely never leave the house when it's raining, but it's also gonna be raining like 6 out of the next 10 days, so we're making an exception because we're going out to dinner tonight because Tara's in town. Actually, I have plans with Tara like all weekend, but I think I'm only vlogging today, so that's the deal. But before that, we do have a work day here. I don't have that much to do, which I'm super happy about. Getting a kind of late start to the day here. I think it's like 9:30ish. Our like fuse blew in our kitchen, so the clocks aren't right anymore. Yeah, 9:23. And I think I'm going to make a coffee and read for a little while and then get some work done. Oh, and I'm also going to wash my hair today, so we're saying goodbye to the straight hair, going back to curly, and I'm trying a new technique, which I thought would be fun to try together. We are, believe it or not, I literally can't believe this, but we are going to abandon the Denman brush. I truly never thought that there would be a day where I would even try a hair routine without the Denman brush, but I'm intrigued by this routine that I saw on TikTok, and I want to try it for myself, so I don't know. I have no idea how it's going to turn out. My hair could look like shat for dinner tonight when we're going out. That's okay, we'll do a little hairstyle or something if it doesn't turn out well and rewash it again this weekend. Stakes are low, but I'm super excited to try that. Yeah, I'm actually craving an iced chai today, which is kind of a weird craving considering, oh my God, it's really pouring right now. Whoa, so much more than just a second ago. I know that rain is not that exciting for most people, most places, but here in LA it's exciting, even though we've gotten so much of it recently, but still. Anyway, weird craving for sure to go for an iced chai on this rainy of a day, just an iced drink in general, but I'm just in the mood for it, so we're going for it. It's nice and warm in here, so, you know. That is so good. Let's go read for a little while. I love reading when it's raining out. It makes me so happy. Just read for about an hour, and now we're gonna hop in the shower and try this new hair routine. I'm not sure how filmy this is gonna go. I'm gonna film it, but it's gonna be probably a little chaotic because part of this routine is that you do it on your hair while it is still soaking wet, like not dry at all. And I always dry my hair with a microfiber towel when I first get out of the shower because for me, and I think this is probably true for most people, there is almost nothing more annoying than your hair just being so wet and like getting just soaking through whatever you're wearing. You know what I mean? It's a very uncomfortable feeling. So I feel like usually when I do this, I would just do it probably like in the shower before I even get out of the shower, just like straight out of the shower before I get dressed or anything. But obviously for filming purposes, I'm just gonna throw my robe on, so it'll be fine. But anyway, it just might be a little chaotic, it might be a little crazy. So heads up about that if it is. I'm excited to try this though. I'm very intrigued, so let's go do it. We're out of the shower, so let's just get to this. It's actually so annoying having it drip on me. So I'm just starting by brushing out my hair with my Denman brush upside down. We're gonna do all of this upside down, so this is gonna be our position. Hopefully that's most of the tangles out of my hair. I think it is. Next, look at me. Gonna put some leave-in conditioner in my hair. It's a very awkward angle to be spraying things. Next, curl cream, pretty generous amount, and raking it through my hair. This feels so weird. My hands are literally covered in hair, covered in grease, but we can't do anything about that right now. And lastly, gel. It's gonna be interesting because my hands are so greasy. And now that we have the gel through our hair, we are going to plop. This is my first time ever plopping, so this is gonna be a whole new experience for me. I really don't know what I'm doing, so please bear with me. Okay, so I think just straight down like this, and you fold this. I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, now what do I do? Now what? Now what? Okay, hold on. We're gonna try this again. Maybe a little further this way. Okay. I don't know how to do this. Maybe this needs to get folded up slightly. Okay, let's try this again. Straight down here. And pull this over like so. And just roll this up a little bit. We're gonna go like this. Okay. Oh, I think I did it. This is usually how people look when they plop, which this is the most ridiculous I've probably ever looked on the internet. But we're gonna leave this for 5 to 10 minutes. I'll check back in then. I mean, wow. It's been a little bit more than 5 minutes just because I was finishing up my skincare, so let's take this down. Okay. Oh, please look at my hair. Please look at my hair. Come down, please. I feel like you can literally see curl patterns on my shirt. And I'm just gonna let this dry kind of like back, like not with a super strict part in my hair. I'm nervous about this. I do not know if this is going to be the way for my hair, but we will see once it's dry. So it is 11:30 now, and I'm gonna sit down and get some work done. I'm just gonna work from the couch today because this rainy weather honestly just demands it. I can't possibly be sitting at a desk. Not gonna work for me. I swear my skin is still ridiculously dry from Vegas. Like, oh my god, it just absorbs products so quickly. It barely feels like I put moisturizer on like less than 5 minutes ago. So crazy. So we're gonna make a liquid IV. I'm making like one of these a day and they definitely help, but by the time I wake up the next morning, it's terrible again. Watermelon liquid IV. You know, it's the only one that I really gravitate towards. Other flavors are good, like the lime is good. I like the cucumber mint one, but the watermelon just is what I crave. I feel like a bartender when I'm doing this, like I'm making a drink, you know? Delish. Oh my gosh, you guys, it is, what time is it? 1:30. I'm so hungry. I need to make lunch right now. What do I want to make though? I'm thinking just a sandwich because that just sounds quick, easy, yummy. Although a veggie bowl also sounds quick, easy, yummy. What do I want? I don't know. Also, I'm already getting the vibe that this hair routine is probably not going to be what I would like transition to like full time. I just think, oh, Connor's calling me. Okay, I need to answer this. So actually, hold on, I'll just be right back. Hey, thank you, I love you. And we're back. Anyway, I just don't think my curls are, I think they're gonna end up looking frizzy and undefined. Honestly, I have tried before where I just like don't use the Denman brush, I just kind of air dry, and that is the vibe that I get from my hair when I don't do the definition with the Denman. And I think that I just have the kind of hair that you need that to actually get some good definition. But you know what, we're not totally dry yet, so we're still waiting and seeing what is going to come of this. I don't think it'll look bad, but I just don't think it's gonna be like, I'm gonna be obsessed with it or anything. So we will wait and see. We're letting her finish drying for sure. Yeah, lunch. I think I'm just gonna make a sandwich. I've not made a sandwich yet this week and that just sounds good, so let's go with that. A little Greek kind of bowl sounds really good too though. Shit, is that what I want instead? No, let's just go with the bread. We have these giant tomatoes. I mean, they're freaking huge. Look at this. This tomato is like literally almost the size of my head. Like, are you kidding me? What is going on here? I'm gonna use this slightly smaller one because I think it'll be a little easier to use for sandwiches, but like, damn, that's a big tomato. I think I will cut up a little bit of cucumber too because that sounds kind of yummy. I haven't put cucumber on my sandwich in a little while actually. Molly cat. When are you gonna get the picture, girlfriend? Like, you literally have not gotten turkey in months. This is so yum. I'm so excited. Well, my hair is now fully dry. Let me like set you down here. And I think we can probably all agree that this is not the method for me. No, I don't think it looks terrible or anything. Don't get me wrong, like it's kind of just different. I just prefer when my curls are a little bit more defined. But I really like the volume that I got from plopping, so I feel like plopping is in. I just think that I need to use the Denman brush to create those like nice defined curls because, I mean, this, as I said, it's fine. I don't hate it. I'm not like, not into it, but it's just not my favorite. I feel like if I like kind of throw it, well, maybe like throw it over. I don't know, I just, it's fine. That's really all I can say about it. It really is just fine. I'm not obsessed in any way though. So it was a nice experiment, but I think we'll probably be going back to using the Denman. I've learned my lesson. I am a Denman brush girly. Well, I'm officially done getting ready for the day. I filmed a little get ready with me for TikTok, so we got the makeup on, just finished getting dressed, having a little lover boy here, and I'm about to head over to Tara's. Her and I are just gonna hang, like have a drink before dinner, and then we are grabbing dinner at Elefante tonight with Haley. It's gonna be so fun, a little girls' night out. It is raining a lot out, so it is quite unfortunate having to leave the house, but we're making it happen. I've actually never gotten dinner at Elefante before. I've only done like drinks and appies, so I'm excited to actually try some of their food. Should be a really fun night, but let me show you the full fit. I literally have no idea how to dress for this weather anymore, but we got a little sweater on, my leather pants, little booties, got my bag right here, doop, and we're heading out to Tara's. You literally have to do that TikTok where you have to say all the words to the
Wait,
song.
no, it's gonna be so embarrassing.
Be so good, Tara. It'd be fucking hilarious. Anyway, I'll be seeing Tara now. And Haley's gonna be here shortly. We've just been drinking some champagne that Tara found in her fridge. So love that. It's actually quite delicious.
Tastes like apple juice.
It really does. So we're doing a quick little refill because Haley's gonna be here soon.
I'm gonna track her actually.
And then, yeah, that's a good idea. And then we're off to dinner. I'm so excited. Pizza, pasta.
Oh, it's gonna be so good.
I'm very excited.
I feel like Elefante's gonna be empty.
I know, seriously. Like, no one's gonna be out today.
Who's showing up
With
today?
this rain. Us. I'm not about it. Only us.
And which is crazy
Only
because
us.
normally this would never be us.
Oh, I would never leave the house on a day like this, but
Maybe it'll be busy.
for Elefante, you know,
We'll see.
we're gonna make it happen. The rain is currently not a joke, but we ran here and we made it. Okay, cheers, ladies. Happy girls' night. So first up at Elefante is of course the favorite. Sorry, this is like my camera won't even focus because it's so dark. We got the whipped eggplant, the fluffy pita, and oh my god, this is the best thing on the menu. And it's free. Too embarrassed. But they sat us like 35 minutes late for a reservation, which is obviously a lot, considering that you pay a lot if you're 15 minutes late for this reservation. So they gave us the free eggplant, which this was a must-have.
I'm going in.
Yeah, no, please do.
And I want to watch the air bubble. Yeah, see?
Oh, it's so good.
The hot air bubble.
Oh my god, that's steam coming out.
Yeah.
Steam heat rising. But this is literally like the best thing on the menu. Not that I've had that many things on the menu because it's my first time dining here, but I have to say, best thing on the menu. I stand by it.
Well, I'm excited to see what you think of the rest of the menu.
Me
Yeah,
too.
me
We'll
too.
see. Food has arrived, so we have a little spicy vodka sauce. We have a pesto situation, and we also have the cacio e pepe pizza, which I've heard so much about. I'm so excited to try that. Oh my god. We have made it home, and I'm just laughing at my hair because this is just like how my hair looks on day like 4. Not on the day that I washed it, which is today. That technique just really did not work for me. I need the Denman brush. I'm just a Denman brush girly. What are you gonna do? You know, everyone's curls are different. My curls are just Denman brush curls, let's be honest. As I said, I do feel like this would be cute for like, did I say this? I don't actually think that I did. Anyway, this would be cute for like styling in different ways. Like I could see loving this with my hair like slicked back, but a big like poofy pony. That's fun. It was fun wearing it like half up, half down because it has so much volume. But just on the reg, this is just not the way that I like my hair to look. Anyway, we're home. Dinner was delicious. Such a fun night out with the ladies. And now it's time to get my makeup off. Which is gonna feel so good. I'm actually already so tired. Here we are, 9:48 on a Friday. And I'm exhausted. I literally got home and immediately was laying in bed, or I guess on bed. I wasn't really in it. With Molly. Hi, baby. Cat always loves being wherever I am, and it actually makes my life. Dinner tonight was so good though. The cacio e pepe pizza way like outdid my expectations. Like I thought that it would be good, but it was actually insanely good. Like one of the most cheesy, delicious pizzas I've ever had. I was actually like blown away. Oh my god. I was actually like blown away by how cheesy and delicious it was. I have lots of leftovers plus leftovers of the spicy vodka sauce. So that'll be lunch tomorrow, which I'm already looking forward to. Overall though, very good Friday night. Of course, typically on a rainy night, I would never leave the house, but if I have to leave the house, this was a pretty good night to do it. Delicious food, good friends, chill vibes, and home before 10 p.m. Can't ask for more than that on a Friday. Can you guys see Molly Cat? Look at her. Molly is ready for bed. Ready for bed? You ready for bed, my girl? Well, Molly and I are ready to say goodnight. She's clearly so thrilled. Look at this little baby. Oh, okay. Hi. Can you guys hear Connor's Harry Potter game in the background? I think I'm just gonna go ahead and end this vlog here. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next video.